Thinking about getting an RO system for your home or office? Don't get stuck with an old-style canister RO system fraught with problems. The HomeMaster Artesian Full Contact Reverse Osmosis System solves the 4 main problems associated with traditional RO systems. Problem number 1. Canister leaks. Canister filter housings accumulate wear, stress, and microorganisms year after year. Only the filter element gets changed, not the filter housings. Those systems advise owners to change those housings every 5 years, but no one ever does until they leak or burst, causing a flood. HomeMaster system employs advanced modular filters where the filter and filter housing are all in one and changed annually, thus virtually eliminating this problem. You also create a more hygienic system by changing the housings more frequently. Problem number 2. Slow flow. The slow flow from the traditional RO faucet is caused by their smaller fittings and tubing. This leads to less use as you become frustrated with wasting your valuable time. HomeMaster with built-in Fast Flow RO kit uses larger fittings and tubing to produce nearly double the flow rate. A stronger flow is more satisfying and easier to use for washing vegetables, cooking, and for drinking water. Which do you prefer, a stronger flow or a weaker flow? Problem number 3. Service challenges. Hardness minerals and other icky contaminants often seal canister housings shut, requiring superhuman strength to open them. HomeMaster uses modular all-in-one filters with push-in fittings to make service quick and easy. No bodybuilders or wrenches required. Don't get frustrated. Get the HomeMaster. Problem number 4. Acidic water. Water produced by reverse osmosis is pure, so why do all those traditional RO systems use a post-filter? Answer: a highly pure but acidic water produced by the RO membrane sits in the rubber bladder storage tank, dissolves some of the rubber, and repollutes the water, thus creating the need for the post-filter to then remove the rubber. Our one-of-a-kind patented full-contact technology forces the highly pure but acidic RO water through a remineralization filter not only once but twice, once on the way to the storage tank and once again on the way to the RO faucet, adding only calcium and magnesium minerals derived from crushed marble. It's an entirely natural process. The results are less storage tank degradation and cleaner, healthier, better-tasting water that is slightly alkaline. With 7 stages of filtration, purification, and enhancement, the HomeMaster Artesian Full Contact produces exceptionally pure mineral water on tap. Guaranteed or your money back. Conclusion? Your RO system will be in your life for years, so get the RO system that brings solutions, not problems. Get the one with the best flow rate, the most reliable design, and the one with best tasting mineral water on tap. The HomeMaster Artesian Full Contact from Perfect Water Technologies. Order today!
Introducing new Calphalon Premier Space-Saving Nonstick Cookware. Cookware that stacks securely to save 30% more space. The unique handle design allows pots, pans, and lids to stack and nest in any order, and each pan is metal utensil safe. New Calphalon Premier Space-Saving Cookware. Secure stacking that saves 30% more space. Nothing else stacks up to it.
Good morning.
Good morning, Gail. You got quite a production going on over here.
Like always. You know what else is new? My life's a production.
It sure is. Production value.
Got a little peanut butter on my...
Exactly.
Okay.
So why don't you tell me what you got going on?
This is the Breville 840 XL.
Okay.
It's replacing the programmable Breville.
The
What was the number on
die-cast.
it?
That's the 830.
830. Okay, so it replaces it. And what they did to make it new and improved,
And swanky.
well, they changed the thermal block.
Okay.
That's
Or
what they did.
they changed it from a
Thermocoil.
thermo block to a thermocoil. So that's
Exactly.
what was in the 830. That's a version with
Yep.
some scale buildup.
So the bad part about this is it's not as big a mass in some ways, so it doesn't retain the heat as well. And two pieces. It has a gasket. Eventually, it's going to leak.
Okay.
This, on the other hand, thermocoil is one piece. We saw it at a park to show you, but this is what it's like.
One solid block.
One solid piece. The water goes in one end, and it goes around and around and around and around and comes out the other.
So that means that this guy is going to have better temperature consistency than the other guy.
Exactly.
Okay.
So these little rounds here, this is stainless steel lined aluminum. So it's got a stainless steel lining in there, and you can see that this one's they're just higher and lower. It's a continuous hole that goes around
I see.
and goes down.
And that white stuff, that's the element.
This is the heating element.
Now, I'm excited. When I heard about this guy, I was very excited. I couldn't sleep for days. Because what we
Alrighty
didn't
then.
like about the 830 was it didn't get hot enough.
Exactly.
And that was our biggest complaint, our only
Exactly.
complaint with it.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that that changes. So why don't we first go through what's included in the box, then we'll pause, get her going,
Well,
and try her out.
the big thing we got included in the box is this lovely hang tag.
Yes,
Here
exactly.
you go.
Gorgeous.
It comes with a frothing pitcher. Looks
Okay.
like it's about 20 ounces, I would say. Stainless steel. Comes with pressurized and non-pressurized baskets, so you can choose your poison.
I love it that they're including that with all their machines now.
Yeah. See, that's pressurized. This is non-pressurized.
Okay.
Comes with
Obviously a portafilter, double
yeah,
spout.
portafilter. Important element. This is for pods, I assume, huh?
That's for backflushing.
Oh,
yeah.
really? For backflushing. Okay, good.
Cleaning the brew head.
Okay, scoop. This is a tool for cleaning out the steam arm. Couple of cleaning tablets. Water filter, and this is where the water filter is applied into this and goes down into the
Water tank, okay.
Yep.
And then you've got this for the, I assume, the brew head?
Let's
Or-
see. Let me look.
Yeah, it's got a screw up
Yep, that's it. Allen wrench.
there. And then, as far as drip tray and all that jazz,
Right here. As always. Oh, very pop up when it's empty.
empty me.
And this is for the three-way solenoid valve, I'm assuming back in here.
And the overpressure probably too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So,
All right. So this is a programmable. So these guys are going to be programmable water, single thermocoil. So you're going to switch between, each action.
Yep. Yeah, it doesn't have a double anything.
And so, do you have anything else to say before you pause?
I like the looks of their products. And if this works well, we got a winner.
Yeah. You like it so much you want to marry it, Gail.
All right, that's enough. Had enough of you.
We didn't mention that this has that included tamper that's magnetic. Shink. Little storage area.
Just like that.
Okay, so we're going to pull a couple shots first. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and try them out.
Let's try them out. Alright, this gauge tells you how your pressure's doing on extraction. It'll pop up. There we go. Let's get it in the glasses.
You have a lot of parameters at play here, Gail.
Yeah, well, it is
Gauges,
early.
glasses.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Here, have a shot. Taste the shot.
Thanks, Gail.
Not bad.
Better than what we tasted off the 830s.
Oh, yeah.
Well, historically speaking. I didn't do one this morning. I wasn't going to torture myself.
No, it's been a while too, but what I recall is we couldn't get it right no matter what we did.
No. Yeah.
Better.
Okay, so let us pause, and you'll make a cappuccino on the little moo cup. Okay, so you switch to the little...
I put it to steam.
Over
The
here.
thermo block's coming up to thermocoil.
Thermocoil.
I'm just going to get some of the... There we go. Get its story going on.
There's a little single hole tip down there?
Yep.
Okay.
Yuppers. All right, that is hot. If you turn this knob the other way, you get hot water.
Oh, cool. Out of the same wand.
Yep. Autofill, we didn't mention that before. This machine is autofill.
Radical.
Whoop, the hot water doesn't come out of the steam worm. Oh yeah, there's a little thing right there. See that? Hot water.
Oh, it's a little spigot.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
I didn't notice that. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get our shot going. Never mind the spigot. This does have a 3-way solenoid valve, by the way.
I like this little dude.
Yeah.
It's growing on me,
Look
Gail.
at the foam while that's...
Good. And it does have a pre-brew.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of little features to it.
Yeah. There. That looks pretty good.
Gorgeous.
I can see some more in my future.
I got faith in you.
I'm not saying how near future it'll be.
Perhaps today, perhaps in 14 years.
That's right. Let's go over here where the light's better. I see heavy foam.
Yeah, it was a little too thick there, Gail. Wasn't quite wet paint.
Yeah, but I bet you it tastes good.
I bet it tastes
It's
awesome.
really foamy.
You want to give it a little sipperoo?
It's one of those little critters, those birds up in the Antarctic. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what that's its eye, that little bubble there.
Got it.
That's really creamy. Want to taste that? Yummo. Creamy. It's good.
If I drank lattes, I would drink that latte.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, so that is the new Breville 840 XL.
Yep. And
The new kid on the block.
Empty the knock boxes automatically for me here.
No, that's called a super automatic.
Yeah, but you still need to empty it.
Oh, the dregs box.
Yeah,
the pocket will empty.
I make these messes. And,
Yeah, Miguel.
Yeah, well.
Okay, so that's the new upgraded model with the thermocoil.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's got a lot of great features for the price.
Program these buttons for the volume that you want. Hot water, steam, your tamper. Nice looking machines. Yeah.
Cool.
Yuppers,
All right.
warmer. You know, on a cold day, stand here.
Thanks, Gail.
You're welcome.